In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your business name in Google Business Profile if you're looking to refresh your brand or correct any errors. Updating your business name is a straightforward process that can be done in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and navigate to business.google.com. This link will lead you to the Google Business Profile homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. Look for the sign in button in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll encounter a prompt that requests your Google account credentials. This is the email associated with your business account, so ensure you have that information at hand. If you've previously signed in, you'll be automatically redirected to your Google Business Profile page without needing to enter any credentials again. Convenient, right? But if not, input your details and you'll be on your business management dashboard in no time. Once logged in, you can also access your business profile by simply going to Google search and typing in either the name of your business or My Business. Google's system will identify your profile and guide you to the right page. Now on the left hand side, find and click on the Edit Profile icon. This will bring you to a new page where you can make necessary changes to your business details. Next, you should see an option that says About Your Business. This is the section where your business name will be displayed prominently. It's important to know exactly where this is as it's the focal point of today's task. Locate the pencil icon next to your business name. Clicking this icon will allow you to edit the name right away. Now in the text box that appears, you will want to carefully erase the old business name and type in your new one. This is your chance to ensure everything is correctly spelled and appears just as you'd like it across Google's platform, so double check before moving forward. Once you're satisfied with the new name you've entered, locate the Save button. This is typically at the bottom of the screen. Click on that to apply the changes. It's important to ensure that not only have you saved your changes, but that everything looks accurate before refreshing. Finally, after clicking save, your new business name should reflect immediately or within a few minutes across Google's services. It's a good idea to recheck your profile from a different account or browser to ensure that the change has been applied and that everything appears correctly. With that, you've successfully changed your business name on your Google Business Profile. That wasn't too hard, was it? You're now ready to continue managing your business with the right brand identity in place. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and guides.